How to change Fanbasis bank account. In this video, I'm going to explain how to change your Fanbasis bank account. First, log into your Fanbasis account on the platform's website. Once logged in, go to your account settings section, or you can find it right here using this gear icon that is your settings. In the payment or banking details section, look for the option to update your payment information. Click on the Edit or Change button next to your current bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your new bank account information. This may include your account number, routing number, and bank name depending on your location. After entering the new bank account details, make sure to save the changes. You may be asked to verify the changes through an email or a confirmation code sent to your phone. It's important to check that your new bank account is valid and properly linked to avoid any payment issues. Make sure that all your payment details are correct and ensure you update any recurring billing information. And that's how you change your Fanbasis bank account.